Wow, it's very exciting because I'm able to channel my constant passion in nature and also wildlife, into my living space. And I like the whole japandi vibe to it because the use of natural materials help me to feel very relaxed, especially when I step into the house after a long day of work. Okay, so right at the entrance, you can see that what's left from the previous owner is the facade, so which includes the metal gate and also the door. So the door has been reworked, and also I DIY'd the metal gate to include the jute strings and also a cowbell. So I think having mini DIY projects makes me feel a bit more attached to this space. And I also DIY the jute rug at the entrance and along the shoe cabinet to demarcate the shoe area and the living room, which I call it the woods. So every part of the apartment is based on a terrain from my travels. Visitors are first greeted by the wooden vinyl floor and laminated ceiling in the woods that gives a very cozy, warm vibe to it. The niche area after the entrance is a nice corner created to display some of the souvenirs from my travel. So personally, the main highlight of the woods is the TV wall, which features a tree trunk. So the cuckoo clock and the tree branches help to accentuate the feature, as well as the adjacent bird nest pendant lights above the counter tabletop. The tree branches can also double up to feature deco pieces during festive seasons like Christmas and Halloween, so I don't really need to get a Christmas tree anymore. So I've always wanted a cave-like kitchen. The homogeneity between the lime wash wall, cardboard laminates and the tiles form the base of the design, while the curves and the deco items complete its overall cave vibes. I selected a white sintered stone countertop to bring out a little contrast, also to make my cave look a bit less cold. The dining room after the kitchen is volcano themed, as featured by this rustic looking wooden slab and volcanic rock pendant lights. The lime wash wall and grey tiles are continued from the cave kitchen to allow for better transition. A bench settee was also included for extra storage, and on the opposite side, charcoal stools can be placed with sliding door to accommodate about 6 diners comfortably. Part of the wooden slab was also turned into the coffee table, while the remaining piece was featured as this sleek door handle to access the guest room, which is also an extension of the woods. The platform serves as a storage and space for a tatami, which joins the study desk and shelves attached to the wall. Wardrobes on both the guest room and the master bedroom side are joined together, which the wall in between was hacked to conserve space. The wooden door frame which connects the guest room to the master allows a nice tunnel transiting into my resting space, which I call it the savanna, with a tinge of Afro interior design which also uses natural materials to accentuate the setting. I hung 2 of my photos from Africa and matched the colors of the grass with the pampas grass to create a 3D effect. So what only faced me are some hand-woven African basket bowls to reduce stimulation while resting. My fingerboard pull-up bar is well hidden behind the door to maximize the space. And the vanity area was designed to fit into the master bedroom to maximize space in the bathroom. So the vanity area was designed to fit into the master bedroom to maximize space in the bathroom, with the sink and tapped colors nicely blend with the savanna. So the waterfall themed shower and toilet see the most major transformation. So we hacked the one separated wall in between and repiped to create a walking space in between. The use of the fluted glass doors and rain shower also helped to create this illusion of a running waterfall when I'm inside the bathroom. So throughout the terrains, I've placed wildlife stuffed toys to remind me of the animals that I've sighted and have also taken photographs of during my trip. So overall, I really love how comfortable this living environment is, and I really love the renovation journey because it allows me to be creative and bold. I'm lastly thankful for my ID, who is very supportive, and he's also very efficient in terms of managing the whole renovation